Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Coach with Urooj. If you are new here, I am Urooj, certified life coach, and today we are diving into one of the most powerful practices that can literally transform your life, manifestation. If you have ever wondered how to bring your dreams into reality, whether it's money, love, health, career, or peace of mind, then this video is for you. I will be walking you step by step through the exact formula that has worked for thousands, including myself. So grab your journal, a cup of tea, and let's unlock your manifestation power. Get crystal clear on what you want. You can't manifest what you are vague about. The universe responds to clarity. Ask yourself, what do I really want? Why do I want it? Write your desire in the present tense. Example, I am joyfully earning 10k USD a month doing what I love. Be specific. Don't just say, I want more money. Say how much, by when, and why. Clarity is a power. Vagueness creates confusion. So be clear what you want. Feel it as already done. This is where most people go wrong. It's not just about thinking, it's about feeling. Our emotions are the energy signals we send to the universe. When you visualize, feel the emotion as if you already have it. Smile, celebrate. Imagine the phone call, the success, the hug, the bank balance. Your brain doesn't know the difference between real and imagined. So, give it that powerful vibration. Feeling is the secret. Remove limiting beliefs. Most important and powerful thing, you have to do it. You cannot manifest with inner blocks. If you believe you are not worthy, or that money is evil, or that you will always struggle, guess what? That becomes your reality. Ask yourself, what beliefs are holding me back? Where did I pick them up from? Parents, society, past failures. Replace that old beliefs with new empowering ones. Old example, I always mess things up. New, I am capable and align with success. Free your mind and your life will follow. Take align, inspired action. Manifestation is not just sitting and waiting, it's co creation. Once you are aligned, inspired actions will start following. Follow your intuition. Make the phone call. Start the business page. Reach out to that mentor. Post that video. The universe meets you halfway. when you move your feet. Simple formula for manifestation. Manifestation is equal to energy plus action. Trust, surrender, and let go. This is where faith comes in. You planted the seed. Now don't dig it up with doubt. Don't obsess over the how or when. Keep taking action, but let the universe handle the unfolding. Remember, the how is not your job. Alignment is. Let go and trust that what you want is on its way, or something even better. Last but not the least, practice gratitude every day. Gratitude raises your vibration faster than anything. Gratitude raises your vibration faster than anything. Start every day by saying thank you, gratitude for what you already have and what's coming. This shifts your mind from lack of abundance. Journal it, feel it, say it aloud. A grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. So, those are the powerful steps to manifest anything you desire. Let's recap quickly. Number one, be crystal clear. Number two, feel it now. Number three, clear your limiting beliefs. Number four, take inspired action. Number five, trust and surrender. Number six, and always live in gratitude. Which step are you going to apply starting today? Let me know in the comments. I read everyone. And if you love this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this with someone who is ready to manifest their dream life. And if you want to book a session, I'm also providing one-on-one session on my website www.coachwithurooj.com. Take care of yourself. Until next video, thank you.